Today I'm going to be trying the Oreo hot cocoa blizzard from Dairy Queen. I really love hot cocoa and I like Oreos. Hopefully this is as good as it sounds. Oh man. Oh man. This is by far the best blizzard ever. I would give this a 10 out of 10. I would most definitely recommend you going to get this blizzard. Comment down below what your favorite Dairy Queen blizzard is, and maybe I'll get it and try it. And also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you know when to get notified. And also, hit the like button and the subscribe button. And see you in the next video.